All right, guys, so I'm hanging back. This is the first session. I kind of wanted to make a track orientation video. I'm going to be taking it easy for this outing. It's 53 degrees outside. I do have my nittos on, but there's no reason just to go crazy first thing. Wait for more favorable conditions this afternoon when it's a little bit warmer and tires have a better chance to hook up. So I'm going to talk through a lap here. And I am going to wait about 2 laps before I start getting into, you know, any higher speed because I want my tires to come up to temperature. But here we go. So big discussion here is just basically where I'm braking, what I'm doing, that kind of thing. So that if any of you haven't been out here before, you know, kind of a tutorial video. I hate those tutorial videos where, you know, they kind of show you a lap, but then they like pause at every single apex just to hear the guy talk for 10 minutes and then, you know, continue the lap. I mean, a lap here around VIR goes pretty quick, but you know, should be able to reasonably speak to that, you know, in real time. So here we go. Track out. Got to stay on the inside here. You'll notice they do not have any yellow flags up, which I wish they did. I do like some warm-up laps, and that's what I'm basically doing here. Because these tires will slide and slide until they heat up. So I like to stay inside this curb. This is like a straight braking zone. Downshift to third, punch over, kiss that gator. If you're carrying enough speed, you'll come over right like that. Then for turn 4 here, you kind of want to kiss this, not too much. A little kiss on 5. You can lift throttle here to get some turn in like I just did. You don't necessarily have to because there's always that second gator to the left. You can cut this, doesn't really matter. Not sure why we're getting point buys on the first lap, but I'll take it. So wait, now. Skip this curb. Skip that curb. Skip that curb. All right. Brush the brakes, downshift, in, throttle, feather in. It's okay if you jump over that curb and hit the gator. I like to stay kind of inside here. Track out, track out, track out, brake, downshift, go. And it's okay to track out here, perfectly acceptable. There's no reason to rush to the inside of the track here. The track comes to you. Keep on it, mind the flag station at 13, they'll alert you of any danger. I'm going to punch it here at the 3 because my tires still aren't warm. Modulate brake, third gear downshift, come in, kiss that gator. Kiss that gator there too. Slight brake here, do not brake on this curb. Cut this off and feed into the throttle. When your tires are warm, you can go full throttle. Track out. Here we go. That session right there can be a little scary because the track drops away from you. I'm gonna brake at the 4 there. My tires still aren't warm. Turn. Kiss this curb. All right. Tires are starting to come in now. All right, careful here, front wheel drive will spin on you. Just like that. My ass just went out on me a little bit, but that's perfectly okay. We held it. Brake, brake, brake. Kiss the curb. Start feeding in your throttle. Slight lift. Punch it. Hit this curb. Wait for it. Right at the end of this is where you go. There we are. Keep your wheel straight there as best you can. If you need to let off here, it's perfectly okay. If you're carrying a lot of speed, it can be dangerous. Seems like everybody's kind of taking it easy, which is a good thing. You know, These cars are expensive. You're sacrificing your time, your money, and you really just want to make sure that you bring your car home. This guy has been notoriously bad at point bys all weekend. I don't know what the fuck he's doing, because that's pointing by on the wrong side. I'm gonna brake it to 3, downshift to 4th, crest, downshift to 3rd, track out, modulate brakes, kiss this curb, come on down. It's okay if you skip that a little bit. Tires are starting to come in even better. Brake, in, brake, in. You don't always have to brake there, but there was an oil spill earlier on orientation lap. Somebody blew the damn engine. Not worth sliding out right there. I'm gonna brake it to 4. Kiss this curb. Feed it in, feed it in, feed it in, punch it. Good point, but a little late. I knew he saw me in the mirror way earlier, but put you kind of into a precarious situation here, having to track way in. Whew. Right now, check your gauges. You're doing this, check your gauges. See, I've got my heat running, everything looks good. Kind of time to relax here on the back. Brakes. Modulate, 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 in, throttle. Ben here with the PointByPatrol. I hope you all enjoyed that video. The idea there was for it to just be informative, helpful, especially for folks that are just getting onto the track. You know, my aim is to share what knowledge I have and gain some too. So if any of you are watching this saying, oh my goodness, he's doing something completely wrong, please share it in the comments below. You know, we all want to get better together, and this is an open forum for that. In no way is this supposed to replace what an instructor in your car is telling you. As I mentioned before in the scrolling Star Wars theme, I am not an instructor. It's something that I aspire to do. It's something that I aspire to be. But I've still got, loads of experiences, whether they be good or bad, in front of me before, I can really earn that classification. And it's something that I'll get there eventually. But the most important thing is for that person that's in your passenger seat, it's for them to feel safe. So whatever makes them most comfortable, and even if they're like a rear wheel drive guy, which is extremely common at the track, by the way, it's very, very unlikely and very difficult to find folks that have a lot of front wheel drive experience. The line is different, but you'll stand to learn even from those people. They'll show you different things that you may not have known, and then ultimately what you can do is put that together into your own lap. So again, I hope you enjoy reviewing the videos, and if you'd like to join the ranks, and if you're one of those that's into spicy point buys, kind of like I am, and some of my buddies and some of my other friends from the forum, do invite you to hit me up. Let me know. We've got PointByPatrol Black Flag Edition t-shirts out there. I'm excited to see these going around the country. I've sent a few out, and you know, kind of looking forward to the comments and feedback that those guys are getting on track. So, you know, hit me up in the comments, link with me, follow the build thread. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you out on track.